Y'all, Joe coming at you real quick. Southern Coastal Cooking with a quick recipe today. Something I want to try. They call this like the Mississippi pot roast, Mississippi chicken. All it calls for is about 3 pounds of chicken. Of course, I've got 6 pounds here. And you got a packet of this Hidden Valley Ranch powder dressing mix. Alright, you put that in there. You sprinkle it over the chicken, right? Okay, and then you, on top of that, you put a thing of the au jus mix. All right, McCormick says best to use. And since you could do this with, the recipe actually calls for 3 pounds. This pack actually had 6 pounds of chicken in it, so we're gonna double that up. Okay. So what we got there, we got that, and then I've got a jar of pepperoncinis. Okay. Just pour the whole jar in there. Juice, pepperoncinis and all. Wonderful. Has a great flavor to it. And then come in with your other 2 packs. And this is going to make a lot of juice in here anyway, you know, with the chicken and everything. We'll get that on there. Like that. And then your pack of your ranch dressing mix. Just mix all this in here. So you don't have to rub it on the chicken or anything like that. So just throw it in here right on top. Everything will mix itself in the recipe. Okay? Get like that. One last ingredient. You want to take a stick of butter. You could do unsalted or salted. I don't think it really matters. Let me get this whole stick of butter out of the package here. Okay, and get all the paper off the butter. Stick that right in there just like that. Alright, set this sucker on low, you know, for about 10 hours or high for 8 hours and let it roll. After it's been cooking all night, let's give it a try. Look at that. Now, they say the chicken should just, oh, look at that, shred apart like that with the peppers and those. Oh man, yeah. We'll take a little bit of this out after I shred up some. Just give y'all an idea, okay, and we'll just give it a taste. Mississippi, we'll call it Mississippi chicken or Mississippi pot roast chicken. Let's see what it's like, y'all. So I'll play a little bit up here. And just want to try it here this morning. A little pepper right there on it. Yes, sir. Just like that. I'll give it a try, y'all. Looks really, really good. Alright, y'all, so let's give it a try. Smells absolutely wonderful. Cut a little piece of this pepper off to try with it. I love those pepperoncinis with this. Oh my goodness, y'all. That is really good. Yeah, y'all, that is amazing. I was really surprised. I'm not a big fan of like pulled chicken and stuff, but this is packed with flavor. Y'all gotta give it a try. I'm telling you what, man. This stuff is so good. Y'all, please give this a try, man. If you're into anything like this, if you tried the Mississippi pot roast, you'll definitely like this. Anyway, y'all please like my videos, sub my channel. Thank y'all so much. Look, if you would, go over to my other channel, Magnolia Blade and Gun, and give me a sub over there. YouTube's trying to pull some of the smaller channels. It's really bad. So anyway, if you would, that'd be nice too. Just go Google YouTube for Magnolia Blade and Gun. You'll see. Anyway, thank y'all so much, and God bless. And y'all give this this Mississippi chicken recipe a try. It is fantastic. Thank y'all so much.